Hey guys, this is Kevin from the Root Cafe. We know these are difficult times for everybody, and we just want to say thank you for supporting our restaurant and other local restaurants and shops. So what the Root Cafe did is we opened a market to help sell for the goods from different farmers and providers. And so today I'm going to do a little dish using those goods. We've got the really famous and popular Barnhill Orchard strawberries right now. We got a spring mix from Arkansas Natural Produce. We've got our house-made spiced pecans, curry chicken salad. And we've got some feta here from White River Creamery, and then some dressing for the salad. So we start with the spring mix from Arkansas Natural Produce. So we're just gonna have a nice bed of greens, spring mix, beautiful. Our spiced pecans, so we usually just do a kind of a rough chop on those. We'll add those to the salad. So I usually do 4 or 5 here, and then you can just kind of make them pretty, dice them up however you like. I like to do the little slivers because then you get more on your salad, and then probably a strawberry in every bite. All right, so we've got our fresh strawberries. We sprinkle those on there. And then a lot of people will add this at the restaurant, and I like to too. It gives it a little added protein in some of our curry chicken salad. Just put a little of that on the side. And then we've got some of the feta that's wonderful. White River Creamery out of Elkins. Sprinkle that on there. And then this salad normally comes with the cumin dressing that we make in-house. I like it with our buttermilk dill dressing, so I'm just going to do a little light dressing on there. And a little on the side for dipping towards the bottom. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support.